Today I'm gonna talk about how to do the derivative of composite exponential function with the e base. Okay, so as we know before that the derivative of e to the power x equals itself. Okay, then how about the composite exponential function? So for the composite function, we can have e to the power fx. Okay, e to the power fx, and for this guy, we can write down as e to the power fx times the derivative of fx. So that's the formula for the derivative of composite exponential function. Okay, so now let's take a look the first example. E to the power x squared. Okay, how to do the derivative of this guy. And as we can tell from this example, what is fx? Clearly, we can tell the fx. Follow this formula, right? Follow this formula. What is fx? Fx equals x squared. Okay, so basically, you know the fx is x squared. Then we can follow this formula. We have e to the power fx. Okay, e to the power fx. That is x squared, right? E to the power fx. Fx is x squared, and then do the derivative of fx, because fx equals x squared, right? We plug in fx here, x squared, and plug in fx here is x squared. Okay, now the left work gonna be very straightforward. So we have e to the power x squared. The derivative of x squared gonna be 2x, right? Power rule. And we have 2x e to the power x squared. Now let's take a look the second example. E to the power x cubed plus 1. How about the derivative of this guy? We're gonna follow the same strategy. The first step, we're gonna identify the fx. It's very clearly we can see the fx is what? Fx equals x cubed plus 1. Okay, we identify the fx. Now we can plug in the formula e to the power fx, that is x cubed plus 1, and the derivative of fx, so it should be x cubed plus 1 derivative or prime. Okay, now the left work is sum rule. Okay, sum rule. Derivative of this polynomial, we're gonna do the derivative for each term. Okay, and we have x cubed prime. We're gonna follow power rule. Power rule for this guy is 3x, 3 minus 1, and this is constant. Derivative of constant equals 0. Okay, and then we copy it, and then we're gonna get 3x squared. We can continue to simplify it. 3x squared e to the power x cubed plus 1. Okay, now let's take a look. Another example. E to the power 4x cubed plus 2x plus 1. What is the derivative of this guy? Still, we're gonna identify what is the fx, and we can see the fx equals 4x cubed plus 2x plus 1, right? That is fx. Okay, now we're gonna plug in the formula. E to the power fx, that is 4x cubed plus 2x plus 1, and the derivative of fx, that shall be 4x cubed plus 2x plus 1 prime. And then the left work gonna be the derivative of this polynomial, right? So we're gonna use sum rule. Okay, sum rule. So we have the derivative for each term. Okay, and then we're gonna copy it and then simplify this derivative. Derivative of 4x cubed gonna be 4 times x, derivative of x cubed, and the 2x gonna be 2 derivative of x, and derivative of 1 is what? Is 0, right? It's a constant. The derivative of constant equals 0. And again we have 4x cubed plus 2x plus 1, and the derivative of x cubed gonna be 3x to the power 3 minus 1, and the derivative of x should be 1. And then we have 4x cubed 2x plus 1 and 12x squared plus 2. That's it.